Yes, Hypermeet.
So, hi, Divesh.
Yeah,
So,
Hypermeet.
what is interface?
Interface in Go is a type which defines a set of method signatures. And if any type that implements those methods, then it satisfies the interface. I would like to, show one example that I've written already for interface that will make things more clear. Okay. Hope my screen is visible. Okay. So this
Yes.
is, I have defined here a shape interface. And here is the area method. When we say the interface is implemented, when all the methods underlying the interface is implemented. Here we have an area method whose return type is float64. When this method is implemented by a certain type or types, right? Then we would say interface is implemented. Let's go with the example. We have declared here a circle struct whose field is radius and its data type is float64. And here we are writing the area method basically, and which is returning basically pi r square. Pi is 3.14, r is radius, and radius into radius, which is r square. Okay. All the as we know, right, the execution of Go starts from the func main, and here we go. What we are doing here is we are passing in the radius value to the circle struct, and also defining here a shape interface, basically the instance of shape interface. And then we are basically trying to call the area method with this value of radius being passed. When it is passed uh, to the when we are passing the radius value here, it is calculating the actual value. I will you know run once to show you the output. Yeah, the output would be coming. So output would be basically around 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 3.14, which will come around 78 point something. Yes.
Okay, fine.
We are just waiting for the output. Just a second.
So, Divesh, what is the empty interface? Can you explain?
Yeah, sure, sure. So as you first thing, you can see the result of area of circle, which is 78.5. If we're talking about empty interface, right? So empty interface, it can hold the value of any type, because every type in Go will implicitly implement it. And when we use an empty interface, when we want to handle dynamic types, like function that accepts different types, and we will use the empty interface for generic container like maps, which will store the mixed type values. And we will use for JSON parsing also, like data structures where field types are unknown. Then we will use an empty interface. And since Go is statically typed, excessive use of interface can also lead to type assertion, reducing type safety. Yeah, I hope that that was clear.
Yeah. Thank you, Divesh. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Parmeet.